So let's see what makes your coffee a coffee. Insert inside the coffee maker machine. So we already removed some of the component. Here we are removing the IC, uh, which process the information inside. And now here, this packet is actually a thermistor. It senses the temperature inside and maintains the temperature. And this one is a motor with the gearbox mechanism. And now this box, it's actually a storage of your coffee. And there are lots of more components inside. Here you can see this is a valve. This is actually an electromagnetic valve. It works with the electrical signal. And this one is actually a vacuum creator. You can say a sucker. Actually, it don't creates that much vacuum, but it sucks the things inside. There are around 3 to 4 such kind of electromagnetic valves. And now you can see this sucker. I'm going to use this component in one of my upcoming project. I don't know what's this, but maybe it looks like a valve, I think, but well, I will see inside what's actually it is. And this is a valve which I already introduced you.
Yeah.
You can see it works with the 24-volt DC, and there are 3 more such valves. You can see here. Okay, so here it is a pump. There's 3 such kind of pumps inside. Let me show you. This is actually a pump I'm going to use in one of my upcoming project. It is connected with the motor. Now you can see these large motors. This will be useful for my projects. So here are the all things I retrieved from that machine. This one is electromagnetic valve, and this is temperature sensor, which is thermistor, and this one is a pump. It fits with this motor. I will show you working in my upcoming project. It has some replaceable accessories. Well, you just need to press it down and you get this fan and the cover inside. I have this another one from the another pump. and this one is a kind of vacuum pump, actually a sucker. It don't have that much power to create a vacuum. And this one is something unknown. It seems like a valve, but well, I will search on internet. And this one is a motor, as you already knows. And now this one is a voltage control IC. I will going to use in some of my project. And this one is gearbox mechanism. It runs with even a 9-volt battery. You can see it's working. Okay, so see you in the next video with even better ideas, and don't forget to subscribe.